while loop and we were going through
Yeah.
the concept of
Okay.
C.
Okay. Fine. No problem. So today we'll see that according to your syllabus we will move forward. So the screen is visible to you, everyone.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Fine. Okay. I'm sharing something with you. Start today. So in the unit one, the first concept is POP. As you know that, what is POP? Can anyone tell me?
Sir, procedure oriented programming.
Procedure oriented programming. Yes or no?
Yes,
So
sir.
can anyone tell me what is procedure oriented programming language? Can anyone tell me? So you know C language. Yes or no?
Sir. Yes,
C
sir.
language is the what? Procedure
Yes.
oriented programming. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
And in which what? In which we are dividing, है ना? We are dividing the programs. We can say into small units. We can say, yes or no? Small units called as what? Anyone? Function. Yes or no?
Functions. Yes.
Am I audible to everyone?
Yes, sir.
Hello? Yes, okay. So, anyone to add any point in the procedure-oriented programming language? Anyone want? So, what we are going to do? We are going to divide the program into what? Different small units or small parts, and that is called as what? The function. So, can anyone tell me what are the benefits of having the function? Anyone? Anyone?
Sir, it help in reducing our efforts, making our program more simpler.
Yeah, functions are used to make the program what we can say to make the program simpler. We can say आपका जो point है simpler है ना easy to understand हम बोल सकते हैं ना yes or no
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes, sir.
is it easy to understand easy to find the bugs or errors we can say easy to find or locate है ना locate the errors yes or no
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
yes, sir.
और हम ऐसा भी ऐड कर सकते हैं मोर रीडेबल बोल सकते हैं हम लोग मोर रीडेबल so these are what some benefits of having the function. Is it anyone wants to add any point in this?
Sir, it avoid repetition of codes.
Okay, very good. It also helps है ना हम ऐसा बोल सकते हैं it also helps to avoid the repetition of the what code. Very good. Anyone wants to add? Anyone wants to add? Okay, fine. So these are what some benefits of the function. So the C language supports what? Or C language is the procedure-oriented programming language. Now, the second point is that what are the types of operator? Types of operator. Anyone can tell me what are the types of operators?
Arithmetic,
The
So
Logical.
arithmetic operator. Then second is what?
Logical.
Logical operator.
Bitwise.
Relational operator.
Very good. A relational operator, we can say, or we can say what? Comparison operator. Na? Yes or no? Comparison operator.
operator.
Then we have conditional operator. Some has, yes, very good. Conditional operator. Then we have
Increment
bitwise
operator.
yes, very good. Bitwise operator. We have
So logical operator.
already second what we have mentioned already. You can see. Very good. Okay. Then what? Seventh is what? Increment decrement operator. Very good. We will add that after this. Increment oblique what? Decrement operator. Seventh is what? Assignment operator. Assignment operator. Anyone want to add? So these are what? Some of the operators that we have to cover today. Okay? Is it fine, everyone? At least raise your show your thumbs to me.
Sir.
Thumbs, okay, ठीक है. So we will see this part today. ठीक है. Okay, let's move to the next part. That is what? The first one is we'll copy this same thing without wasting so much time in this. So can anyone tell me what are the arithmetic operators? Anyone?
Multiplication.
Addition, subtraction, multiplication, division.
I'm writing, okay, addition, comma, subtraction, comma, then what? Multiplication, then
Division.
what? Division, very good. Division,
Modular.
very good. Modulus. So you can take an example of this. A plus B, that is the what? The example of addition.
Addition.
A minus B, yes. A minus B, we can have another example. Similarly, what? We can have what? A into B and what? A into B, then A divided by B, sorry. A divided B, comma, A mod of B. So can anyone tell me what is the difference between these two? Anyone, these two, what is the difference? Anyone? Anyone?
सर क्वेश्चन क्या था?
What is the difference between these two?
Sir, A% B will give us the remainder and A divided by B will give us
Okay, very good. Suppose we are dividing 5 by 2, yes or no? That gives what? How much? 2. That is we are considering as an integer, okay? That is it fine, everyone?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Okay. So next is what? We are going to see the logical operator. So can anyone tell me what are the logical operators?
Logical and
And or
logical not.
And or
Logical,
not.
just a minute. Logical and logical
not.
or
Logical XOR.
XOR.
logical and
That is not in that. So logical or at and not. These are the. So can anyone tell me what is the symbol of the AND?
सर उल्टा एक्स
Yes, है ना, 2 बार ampersand यूज करके you can have the what symbol called as a AND, and what OR के लिए ऐसा रहता है, and XOR पता है आपको, है ना, V shape, है ना, we don't have any key I think on the keyboard, so that is not possible for me. It's not exclamatory for not. So my question is that these are some of the logical operators. Now can anyone tell me what is the or how the logical AND works? Anyone tell me? Can anyone tell me?
If both the conditions are true, then true is given as output.
Okay. Suppose if I say that 10 is greater than 5 and suppose 10 is greater than 7. So what will be the output of this?
True.
So that is a true. So suppose if I say that 7 is greater than 4 and 8 is greater than 5. 8 is greater than 5 and 56 greater than suppose 54. So what is the output of this?
True.
So it is very clear that the logical AND is used to combine or to check the multiple expressions. Yes or no? So this is what you may have seen that there is truth table for this, but you may have learned that true. Then what we have true, that you may already have learned these things in a C. Okay, true. Then the output is what? True, yes, correct. Second is what? Suppose we have true, false. The result will be what?
False.
Similarly, we have suppose false, true. Then what result will be what? False. And at last we have suppose false. The result will be what? False. So this is what the truth table which we have learned, or you may have learned in the C language. So can anyone tell me about the OR?
So any one can be true. Any one of the two.
I will copy paste same thing. So okay, I will copy this thing. So it is so can anyone tell me what is the difference between AND or?
And most of the time, both the statements should be true, or at least one statement should be to get the output.
Okay. So this is what the OR. So can I make the changes over here? See what are the changes I am making? Is it visible to everyone?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So let's take an example fast. 10 suppose greater than suppose 8, or 10 greater than suppose 47. So what will be the output of this?
True.
Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Similarly, suppose last example we see about this. So what will be the output of this? Anyone? Just a minute, Don't tell, I will ask randomly to anyone. Let me ask. Harshit Jain, are you there? Harshit Jain. Harshit Jain, are you there? Harshita Rashi. Harshita Rashi. Kriti Ahuja. Sakshi Kumari.
सर आप जगह चेंज कर सकते हो क्या? बहुत बैकग्राउंड आवाज आ रही है।
Just a minute. अभी आ रहा है क्या? अभी आवाज? हेलो, अभी आवाज आ रहा है बैकग्राउंड?
अब ठीक है सर, ठीक है।
तो कृतिका तिलके इज देयर? कृतिका तिलके. नकुल शिंदे. नकुल शिंदे. इच्छिता तनवर. मेरी आवाज आ रही है ना? आई एम ऑडिबल ना?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
यस सर।
साक्षी तिवारी. प्रथमेश. Who is the CR of Pune campus? Anyone?
Sir Prathamesh.
I think he is not there today, na?
सर नहीं है।
So Kritika Tilke is there. Kritika Pawan.
Yes, sir.
Kritika, see, what is the answer of this question?
True.
Why? Can you explain me?
So because in logical or both the conditions should be false to give output as false, or else true is printed as output.
Okay. ठीक है. So very good. And Kritika, I want to give some task to you.
Yes, sir.
See, it is very difficult for me to keep the attendance. I will take the screenshot of this, but at the same time, you have to take the screenshot and you have to make an Excel sheet of this.
Okay, sir.
And you have to write down the attendance. Okay?
Okay, sir.
Absent, present only. Because this is a class of two different students, na? One from the Mumbai campus and other from the Pune campus.
Yes,
So it's
sir.
quite hectic for me. So this work is I'm going to give you, okay, Kritika. So every time whatever the lecture practical you have to mark the attendance in the Excel sheet. Meanwhile, I will take the screenshot also for my proof, okay?
Sure, sir.
And suppose on any day, suppose you are not attending the class or lecture, then the Mehak Tikku is there. Mehak. Mehak. Any girl from the Pune campus? Anyone? Okay, no problem. If you absent on some day, so you can inform to any other your friend, okay? Or you can inform to me. Is it
Okay,
fine,
sir.
Kritika?
Yes, sir.
So let's go to the third one. That is the logical XOR, we can say. So can anyone tell me what is that? Can anyone tell me what is the logical
So for XOR,
truth table of?
only only one of them needs to be true. If both of them are true, then it won't be true.
Can you tell me the truth table for this?
Yes.
Tell
So
me.
true is false. True false is going to be true. False true is going to be true, and false false will be false.
Very good, very good. What is your name?
Sir Anshal.
Okay, okay. So see, whatever the truth table I have drawn over here, I have written over here. So I hope that everyone has understood this, because whenever when the two inputs or when the inputs are what, I will write the example for you, so we'll understand it. Suppose I have writing like this: 10 is greater than. But the thing is that I don't have the symbol. I'm not finding. Okay, I got it. 10 is suppose greater than 5. So is it true or false? True. Now, anyone? Others, certain other charge there, others.
Yes, sir.
What is the output of this deer?
False.
Why it is false?
Sir, because both are true, that's why false.
Okay. Now, Amisha Gupta is there. Amisha Gupta. Amisha Gupta is there. Ankit Ranjan. Okay. Chandan Kumar. Chandan Kumar, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Tell me what is the output of this. Tell me what is the output of this. बताइए इसका आउटपुट क्या आएगा? Chandan Kumar, do you know the output of this? Yes or no?
No, sir.
Okay. No problem.
Sir, false, false.
Here. Thank you. We'll move to Prachi Verma. Prachi Verma. Nakul Shinde is there. Nakul Shinde. Yeah, Prachi. Prachi Verma, to the answer of this. Yes, yes. Murali Prachi Verma, what is the output of this? ठीक है. कहानी बलजीव.
Yes, sir.
Prachi, mute yourself. Prachi, you can mute yourself. हाँ कहानी बताइए, इसका आंसर क्या है? व्हाट इज द आउटपुट ऑफ दिस? कहानी
जी सर, एक
सर मैं बता दूं?
नहीं पूछा तो बाकी लोग क्या कर रहे हैं? लेट मी नो दैट व्हाट द अदर स्टूडेंट्स आर डूइंग।
Sir, it's false.
Shreya Singh is there. Shreya Singh.
Sir, it's false.
May I know your name, please?
Samiksha.
also
What is the good name?
Samiksha.
Samiksha Pawar. It's false.
Yes.
Okay. Why it is false? Why it is false? Why?
So because it's false, XOR false. So false, false is false.
Sorry. Okay. Both
Because
the
both the
conditions are false.
statements are false. So false, false is false.
Okay. Can you? I will make some changes in that, Samiksha. Can now tell me. Now tell me. What is the output of this? Okay. Tell me what is the output of this?
So true.
So it's okay, very good. No? So last is what logical, you know that logical not we can say, that is what the simple, sometimes what we can show by the negation, sometimes we can show by the exclamatory mark. That both are what. Okay? So suppose if I want to write like this, 10 is greater than 5. So if this condition is true, so if you want to make the negative then what, we can write the exclamatory mark in front of that, and we can say that 10 is not that is what more than 5. So that is what the use of the not, means if you want to change the meaning of that statement from negative to positive and positive to logical not be used for that. Okay, is it fine, everyone?
Yes, sir.
At least you can show the thumb so I can, Anna.
Sir, your audio is breaking.
Relational operator.
So your voice is breaking.
It's some problem of coverage. It's raining quite heavy in Mumbai. That's why.
Now it's working, sir.
Now is it fine? Okay, thank
Yes.
you. Thank you.
Yes, sir.
So I hope you know what is the symbol. What is the symbol?
Greater than, less than.
Okay, so this is what symbol of what? First you can say this is the symbol of what? So this is what the we can say greater than. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Second what? Tell me first.
Less than.
greater than equal to.
Third is what?
Greater than equal to. And the next one is less than equal to.
Then equal.
It's very good. Sorry, I'm mistake.
सर आपने लेस देन को ग्रेटर देन कर दिया.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Then क्या होता है बताइए और?
Not equal to.
Very good.
Exclamation equal.
Not equal to. Then we have what?
Equal to.
Equal to. So I will try it once again. Greater than. Okay. Can anyone give an example of this? Anyone? ये सबको आता है, बचपन में सब पढ़ा है, टेन is example, है ना? So like this one we can say 8 equal to 8. So these are what some examples of the word comparison or relation operator. So is it fine for the relation operator, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Is it fine? Show me.
Fine, sir.
Okay. What the next operator is what? Conditional operator. So can anyone tell me what are the conditional operators? What is the syntax? Anyone? Anyone? Or what is the purpose of having the conditional operator? Tell me. Very good.
If else or like for.
So we can say that it works like what? It works like a if else, na?
Yes, sir.
Yes or no? In simple terms, it works like what? If else. So syntax. What is the syntax of the what? Conditional operator. Anyone can tell me syntax of the conditional operator?
Sir, see.
Sir, expression 1, then
expression 1.
Expression 2.
Expression 2. Very good. Then what? Expression 3. Is it fine?
Yes, sir.
So we have 3 expressions actually. In some books they may have said like this. They have written like this. Statement 1. It vary according to the books. No problem with that. But the meaning is one and the same. So that is what? Statement 3. So can anyone tell me what is the meaning of this or how the conditional operator works? Anyone? Piyush Srivastav is there? Piyush Srivastav.
Sir?
Yes.
So basically इसमें एक कंडीशन होती है, अगर वो फुलफिल होती है तो रिजल्ट, इफ द कंडीशन इज फुलफिल तो रिजल्ट अलग होता है, एल्स द डिफॉल्ट रिजल्ट जो भी मतलब प्रोग्रामर डिसाइड करता है वो रहता है अगर स्टेटमेंट ट्रू नहीं रहती।
सुशांत मुझे बात बताइए, अभी कैसे डिसाइड करेंगे हम लोग? हाउ विल यू डिसाइड दैट कि स्टेटमेंट ट्रू रहेगा तो क्या होगा, फॉल्स रहेगा तो क्या होगा? हाउ इट वर्क?
सो वही कंडीशन हमें डालनी होती है ना प्रोग्राम में।
तो यहाँ पर कैसे डालेंगे आप? सपोज इफ यू वांट टू गिव एन एग्जांपल ऑफ दिस,
यस सर,
हाउ विल यू राइट दैट?
So,
Anyone?
So if let's say 10 is greater than 6, right? So this statement is true.
Yes.
If this statement is not true, if is 6 greater than 10, then the default will be false.
So in this, which is the default statement in this example, in this syntax?
So false.
Vagisha Jain is there? Vagisha Jain.
Yes, sir.
So can you explain this?
Sir, can you repeat the question?
Whatever the syntax I have mentioned over here.
Yes, sir.
Just you have to explain it. You have to explain the working, how it works.
Sir, may I?
No, is it Vagisha?
No.
Do you know the answer of this? Yes or no? If you don't know, no problem.
सर सिंटेक्स पे गया था बट ऐसे एक्सप्लेन नहीं कर पाऊंगी।
Okay, no problem. So we will move to Tushar Khatri is there. Tushar Khatri. Yeah, you can just proceed. Okay.
So if the statement is true, then we implement.
Your voice is not clear. Okay, Tushar, we will come back to you. Just meanwhile we can move to.
Sir, can I explain?
Okay. Go ahead.
Sir, if the first one is if the expression 1 is true, then the expression 2 will be printed in the output, and if the expression 1 is false, then expression 3 will be printed in the output.
Okay, good. So I will give the last chance, then I will explain it. Sanika Mahajan is there? Sanika Mahajan. Sanika is there? Shagun Tiwari. Shagun Tiwari.
Yes, sir.
Can you explain this?
Hello. Sir, this statement, so basically it is a ternary operator, and ternary operator requires two operands. The two operands work like they compare the condition, and if the condition is true, they return the part written after the question mark, and if the condition is false, they return the part written after the colon mark. We can implement it in the place of if else.
Okay, good. So very good. Both the answers are correct. Okay, I want to give the example for this. This what the expression is like this, and suppose I have written like this. Suppose. So whatever the expression 1 is there, expression 1, or whatever the statement 1 is there, if that statement or expression, what is that expression over here? 10 is greater than 5. That is the expression 1 or statement 1. And we have the expression 2 or the statement 2, that is after the question mark. And we have the expression 3 or a statement 3 after the colon, that is what. See. Now how it works, if this expression is true, it will execute what? The second part. That is what the output will be. Output will be what? 100. If let's assume that I want to use another example for this. Suppose it is like this. Question mark. Suppose 500 colon 4,000. Now this is the example number 1, we can say. So for your understanding purpose, example 1, so you understand easier. Okay, it's example 1, and this is the output of that. Okay. And the second example is, suppose I am writing like this, example 2. Okay, example 2. Now, can anyone tell me what will be the output of this? Can anyone?
Sir, 1,000.
Output, can you guess output? What is output?
1,000.
1,000.
Yes, it means that whenever this expression is true, it will give the expression 2 as output, and when it is false, then it will give the output as the expression 3. So whatever the answer we have received by Shagun Tiwari, and the name of the other student was Aviraj. Those were correct, and some of the student has tried also. Okay, very good. So this is what the conditional operator. Is it clear, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
3-4 आवाजदार, बाकी लोग शांति. क्यों इतनी शांति छाई हुई है?
Yes, sir.
शांति छाई हुई है, क्यों छाई हुई? हाँ, yes sir. तो अविराज.
Yes sir.
मैं आपको आपका जो बैच का अटेंडेंस का रिकॉर्ड आप ट्रैक करने का, बराबर है, एक्सेल बनाने का शीट.
सर किसी का कर रहे हैं?
Sorry?
Sir,
नहीं, you have to do the attendance of Mumbai campus.
okay, sir.
हाँ, मैं भी स्क्रीनशॉट मेरे पास में, आई एम कीपिंग द what screenshot with me, and if somebody says that sir I was present, so for my I am keeping the record, but you have to make the Excel sheet and you have to mark the attendance daily basis. And
Yes.
From the Pune campus, I have allocated this work to Kritika. Kritika, are you there, Kritika?
Yes, sir.
So है ना, आज से आप क्या करना है, you have to just maintain the record, है ना, ठीक है?
Okay, sir.
सर दोनों मुंबई कैंपस की है बच्चे।
अरे ऐसा है क्या? Sorry. Anyone from Pune campus, please let me know your name, please. Prathamesh is absent today, na? At least raise your hand.
No, sir, I'm
those who are
here.
from the Pune campus.
Hello, sir, I'm
Please?
here.
Prathamesh, are you there? Okay, you joined late. Okay, no problem. Prathamesh.
Yes, sir, late हुआ थोड़ा.
Okay, no problem. ठीक है, तो do one thing here. आपको क्या करना है, डेली जो भी अपना लेक्चर रहेगा फ्राइडे तो अटेंडेंस मेंटेन करना है, ठीक है?
Yes.
आप क्या करोगे प्रथमेश, यू विल